Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here in Topeka, Kansas. What we have here is this was a DIY. I sell my piers to people all over the United States that are wanting to do the foundation piering themselves. Our system, our methodology is very simple. So got guys that have a construction background, foundation settling. They call me, we ship them our piers. And in this situation, the homeowner got it all wrong. So he called me and we drove down here this morning. We're gonna rescue this job and show him how the King piers are installed. If he gets here, he will be an expert on how to install our King piers. It's really very simple. But he's got it screwed up here, but we're gonna make it right. So stay with me. King Piers, Topeka, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. Don't forget to visit my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.